Zaki has the down payment. He has the dream, but he's stuck. To reach the house, he needs a bridge, and in the world of finance, that bridge is built with one thing: credit. His credit score is currently at 540. At this level, the bridge is invisible. To the banks, Zaki is a level 1 player who hasn't mastered the game yet. It's time to start the grind. Every time Zaki misses a payment, the debt monster strikes. One forgotten bill can bite 50 points off your score in seconds. In this game, your greatest enemy isn't the bank, it's your own unorganized calendar. Zaki fights back. He activates autopay and slashes his utilization rate by paying down his cards. Each payment is a plus 20 XP boost. The bar is turning green and the bridge is starting to materialize. He avoids the new account traps and keeps his old accounts open. Suddenly, level up. At 720 XP, Zaki unlocks the golden interest rate bridge. It's solid, it's cheap, and it leads straight to the finish line. Zaki didn't just get a house, he mastered the system. A 720 score is the difference between paying the bank for 30 years or owning your future today. What's your current XP? Ready to level up? Download our credit climb checklist in the description. Subscribe to Business World, Money and Wealth to beat the game.